What you doing?
We about to get y'all this car, boy. I didn't mean to scare you, fam. Sorry. I'm a little excited sometimes, bro. My bad.
Scared the life out of
We
this
about
man.
to give y'all this car, bro. We about to give y'all this Mustang.
How are you gonna do it?
I figured I wanted to do a little bit more old school approach, right? Like, it's a more relatable. I wrote every single order number on here.
How many tickets is that?
So I went through 2 rolls of 2,500. This is a 10,000 ticket holder.
It's the biggest one they had.
And yeah, it's the only time I could buy something. That's the biggest thing they had. I went through 2 rolls of 2,500 and dipped into a third. I don't know how many we used though. I didn't track it. You know what I mean? So my idea behind it is I have all the tickets in here with all the order number. So I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna pull that ticket out. It's gonna have the order number on it, and I'm gonna come over here to Shopify. Y'all can see it tracks the order numbers right here. So I just go into search and I type the order number, and then bam, it'll pull it right up.
I'm kind of far away just in case there's personal info on there people could see.
Yeah, I ain't trying to show everybody like no stuff like that.
Yeah.
So. But anyway, yeah, that's all. Cool.
You're probably late for the live too. Check the time.
Yeah, I probably am late for the live. We're live about the glasses right now, fam, on the YouTube.
Yeah.
Give y'all the rundown. We about to give this thing away. I explained to the YouTube how it's going down already. 193. As soon as that number, yeah, it went to 190. As soon as that number hits 200, we getting this thing away. So y'all better be sharing, telling your friends, telling everybody. Pull the motor from 2013 Silverado, put a cam in it. Yeah, Mitch Miller will be able to tell everybody basically all the info. He basically put the car together, and I just finished some stuff. I took the car before he finished it. And I finished
9 people. What are we doing?
Your name's Jeff. Hello, Jeff. Y'all better share it. Tell your friends something. You got 7 more people, and we could give y'all this car. We could give y'all this car. Oh, there it is. 200.
200.
There it is. All right. You want to hold that?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. 200.
Shake that sucker up. Let them side ones go in there. Yeah.
A little bit. That's probably loud because I forgot it's like on the microphone on my glasses. Sorry, guys. We've been mixing this thing up for like so many business days too. It's not even fun.
Justin, I'm not signing nothing.
Yeah.
He said, will you sign my forehead?
Will you sign my nipple, Justin?
Pull it out. What are you doing?
Boy, we're mixing. We're mixing right now. We're mixing. You ain't never tossed no salad before, have you?
No.
Yeah, see, my boy knows.
Huh?
Yeah, Glow.
Hey, where you go grab Raska?
Oh, yeah,
Grab
Raska.
Raska?
Where's Raska?
Grab Raska?
Right there. You want to come out here? I'm about to draw the ticket. We finna see who won.
Yeah, we're at 217.
Yeah, as soon as Dad gets here, we'll be drawing it. Yo, yeah, 215.
Taking his sweet ass time.
It'll be all right. That's the anticipation. We need a drum roll. On the soft top.
That
easy,
soft top
bro,
gonna need to be redone now.
Dad, we finna see who won.
Let's do it.
We got 220 on it? Wait, that's not gonna be fair. Let me get those back down there. It ain't gonna be fair to have a ticket held at ransom.
Yeah. And you're gonna have to turn your head.
What?
We ain't gonna have to pick the lock, are we?
No, here, I'll turn my head when we do it. Bam. I got her open.
Turn your head, nerd.
Oh, I feel so good.
All right.
Oh.
Moment of truth.
So, just to let the viewers know, the guy who won my raffle the other day told me to keep the money, and he bought entries into it, so his initials are on the ticket. He'll be the only one that has initials. Everybody else has an order number because he didn't want to buy no merch. He just bought entries. All right.
Brent's good at tossing that salad.
I got one in my hand, bro.
All right.
I got one. 2002.
2002. Who's that?
Man, I hope y'all put a phone number on here. I really hope y'all put a phone number on here. Nathan Martinez. I'm gonna hide the address. I'm gonna look away. Cody, will you not provide a phone number? But you can see what he bought right there. He bought one shirt. Fam bought one shirt on the 30th. So did he get in on the... He got it. He was the 5X entries. He got in on the 5X entries.
Yeah.
So...
He did some investigatory work. Found a number. Look at that.
Oh, what?
The wireless customer you are calling is not available. El cliente de servicio móvil.
You son of a...
Make sure we videoing. We're good.
Yeah, I was looking for... Hey, can you hear me? I'm looking for... Hello?
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 Who is there?
Yeah, I was looking for Nathan Martinez.
Who?
Nathan Martinez? That's cool. That's not good. Hello? 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 Let me answer first! Alrighty, so we woke up this morning and Mr. Nathan Martinez had left me a voicemail. I sent him an email yesterday. Asked for his, or sent him my number and said to give me a call. I need to ask you about your order. Let's give him a call. Hey, how's it going, man? Is this Nathan Martinez?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, bro? You won the car.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
Seriously?
Yep, 100%, man. Congratulations.
I've never won anything in my life.
That's cool, bro. Hey, me either, man. I mean, I won some speeding ticket cases and stuff like that, but
Right.
no, dude. Yeah, congratulations, man. Thank you very much, bro. You snagged yourself a shirt and won yourself a car.
That's freaking sick, dude.
Heck yeah. So I noticed you're in Carson City, Nevada, right?
Yeah, I'm in Nevada.
Sweet, man. Well, I'll give you a call after this, and we'll kind of set up. We'll get a game plan together. But I'm filming this for my YouTube and whatnot. I just wanted to get your reaction, and congratulations, bro. Thanks for the support, man. It means a ton.
Yeah, of course. Anytime. That is awesome, dude.
Heck.
Thank you so much.
Oh, heck yeah, dude. I'm stoked for you. You're gonna have a good time with it. So sweet, man. Well, I'll jump off the phone and I'll give you a shout again, and we'll get some details hashed out.
Right on. For sure, dude.
All right, man. Thanks. Are those my glasses? Anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you guys that jumped in the giveaway. Sorry it took me a little bit to get this video all edited and finished up. I had a lot of life stuff going on lately. So, yeah, I really appreciate it. Shout out to old boy that he won. I mean, I'm super stoked. I've been talking to him. We're going to take it to Vegas, and he's going to meet us there from Carson City. It helps. I don't got to take it all the way to Carson City. But yeah, shout out to each and every one of you guys. I mean, you jumped in, snagged some merch. I really appreciate it. The support was insane. It really was. You guys were awesome. I can't wait to do it again. I look forward to starting another one here pretty soon, and we'll see where it goes from there. I'm going to take a little bit of a hiatus for a little bit, and probably won't have any videos for a little while. Like I said, I got some live stuff going on, and I got to get some stuff straightened out, you know. It is what it is. Sometimes life just kind of presents itself, and you got to take care of a few things. So, as always, I really do appreciate you guys supporting. Hopefully, when I jump back onto the YouTube and start putting content out again, all y'all are still there. I appreciate y'all a ton. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day.